Hi, hi, good evening everyone. So today I am going to share you one story. The story name is Woodcutter. There was a one woodcutter who was very hardworking and he was a very poor. When he was cutting the wood, he wished I were the merchant, very rich merchant. And after some time, his wish became come true. He became a very rich merchant. After that, when he became merchant, he had a lot of money, house, servant. He was happily living his life. After some times, he saw king. Again, he started thinking, the king is more powerful than me. So I wish I were a king. After days, he became a king. One day he was outside and he was getting the sunshine, and in summertime he got the sunshine. He was feeling uncomfortable, and that time he felt the sun is more powerful than me. So again he wished I become a sun, and after some times he became a sun. When he was become a son, he was very happy and feeling proud that I am a son, I am so powerful. But one day there was a cloud, which cloud stopped to when cloud came, the sunshine went, and he started thinking, become my power is not showing that much. So again he wished I were a cloud. After some next day he became a cloud. Once he became a cloud, he seen there is a wind. He became a cloud and he was roaming here, there, everywhere, and he is proudly doing raining. But after few days he saw that wind is stopping to cloud. Then again he wished I were a wind. Next day he became a wind. But when he was wind, he was roaming everywhere. He was feeling very proud and unbreakable. He was thinking, now I am very powerful now. No one can break me. No one can stop me. But one day when he was wind and he was roaming everywhere, one mountain, he stopped him. He was not able to win. Then he saw someone is cutting that mountain from the hammer. He realized on that time that what we have, we should happy on that, and what we always run to get more good in our life, we should happy what we have as of now. We should satisfied with our life. Moral of this story, what you have as of now, you should be happy with yourself. You chase your dream, but don't demotivate yourself by seeing others. Nowadays in social media, everyone see to each other and they become so anxiety, so much confused, and they start doubting themselves. So what we have, even what we are having as of now, it's a maybe dream for others. So be proud, be happy, and be confident what you have now. Thank you everyone.